side to side, show you nothing is adhered. Lift it all the way up, put it back down.
Scratch mixed it.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, then welcome. If you are not new here, then welcome back. Today we have another wig from Unice Amazon. You guys know I love my Unice Amazon finds. Today we have a 6x4.75 curly, glueless, ginger, reddish brown looking wig. I don't even know how to describe the color, but it's like a very smoky brown with, you know, some hints of orange. It is the perfect fall color. Also for my girls who don't want a body wave or a straight wig, this is perfect for you because I know some girls like to stay curly throughout the entire season. I'm just showing you guys all the goodies that they gave me, and now we are going to get into the actual wig. In the packaging at first it looks brown, but when I take it out, I promise you it is not. The wig is 24 inches. Once again, it is a 6x4.75. It is transparent lace. Now the wig comes pre-cut and pre-plucked, and you don't need to bleach it because of the color. This is what the hairline is looking like fresh out of the packaging. I did kind of like adjust the lighting so you guys could see the wig a little bit better. Also, the middle part is already pre-plucked, so it comes very defined. All you have to do if you want to is just trim up the extra lace like I did, but there was no customization done on this wig. Does have the adjustable elastic band as well as the, you know, grip lining to make sure it doesn't fall off. I know that is a concern with a lot of glueless wigs, but I promise you guys this wig is 100% staying on your head. You don't have to worry about that. And as you can see when I turn the brightness up, the color is a very smoky orange kind of brown look. So the wig cap is breathable and the elastic band is adjustable, which I do like. So you don't have to worry about if you want to take it off right then and there, you could just take it off. But we're going to get into actually putting the wig on my head because this install did not take long at all. Now this is what the wig looks like in the same lighting as me. I did want to show you guys just to kind of compare how it looks, you know, when it's directly under the ring light versus next to my skin tone in more of a spaced out setting. You can see under that the middle part was pre-plucked, and then I am just showing you guys that breathable mesh cap once again, as well as how much lace space you actually have. Once again, that grip lining and the elastic band. And now we're going to actually put the wig on. As you can see, the curls on this wig are very tight, so I do think they're going to get defined very well when I put some mousse and a little bit of water on it because that's the only thing I plan to put on this wig. Once again, the wig is 24 inches and I didn't have any shedding like going through it or actually putting it on. So I'm using my Ebin lace tint in the shade medium dark brown. And I'm going to spray that all over my lace. I'm usually just start at the back so that way I don't spray too much at the front since it is an aerosol spray and I don't want to mess up because my hands are a little bit shaky sometimes. So after I let that dry, I am literally just going to flip it over and put the wig on directly. The elastic band was easy to move. Sometimes I put the band on first, but with this wig, I did not have to. Now, I know it looks a little bit ashy at the front, but don't worry, we are going to fix that. That is just the, you know, the result of putting too much at the front. But first thing I'm going to do is cut off the excess lace. I do not like to leave a lot of lace at the front of my wig. I feel like it makes it look unnatural. You can choose to do it. Some people like to leave quite a good amount of space so they can lay the hair down. But with glueless wigs, I feel like you really don't need to. And I'm just snipping away until I get my desired result. Now, after I snipped, you can tell it does look a little bit less white. But there is still a little bit of ashiness on my forehead, I'm not going to lie. But before we fix that, I am going to get the wig to lay flat for my foundation. And I'm just going in with my wax stick and my hot comb. And I'm doing that like all on the perimeters of the hair just to make sure it lays flat, because right now it is screaming I have on a wig and I don't want it to look like that. So I'm taking my hot comb and I'm kind of molding the hair to how I want. I'm not really focusing on any desired look. I'm just doing what I can, to be honest, but I don't want to go through the curls and then mess them up because I am going to need them. I also think it's important to remember that the curls came like this fresh out of the box, so I didn't really do anything to the wig. The curls just came fluffy and nice just like this, but I didn't want to mess them up too much. Now this is after I'd hot combed it. I'm taking my beauty blender that I used to contour my face and I just pressed that over the lace to kind of give back the color, the darker color on the top of my forehead so it didn't look ashy. And now I'm going to go in with some water and my B&B coconut foam mousse, and I'm just going to put that all throughout the hair until I feel satisfied with how moisturized it is. The The hair is very, very thick, so if you feel like I was drowning it in the mousse, I'm telling you that is how much mousse I needed. I don't know why I started detangling from the top and not from the bottom, but I literally just brushed out each side with my detangling brush, and that was it for actual install.
The wig is from none other than the lovely Unice hair. Now you guys see the curls, the density, everything about this wig. It is their 6 by 4.75, which is basically like a 6.5. This is the 6, and then going up is the 5. So it is a very, very spacious closure. It is glueless. I gotta find my rat tail to do that test. Hold on. So to show you guys that it really is glueless, we're gonna do our test. Here's the rat tail, and I'm gonna push it up there. You guys see the rat tail going through? That's how you know that's good quality lace. You can see the rat tail comb, y'all. And I'm doing this side to side, show you nothing is adhered. Lift it all the way up, put it back down. The wig eats, I'm sorry, like, let me adjust my camera. I feel like the wig eats, like everything. I know y'all probably was saying like the length wasn't coming through at first, but baby, the length definitely showed itself. Definitely showed itself. Now I'm gonna turn to the side so y'all can see the hair and get a side view. The hair is just, I don't know, like it's so voluminous, and the thing is, it's voluminous but it's soft. Like I'm not getting any shedding. I just love Unice like this because I feel like this screams like, okay, we're about to go into fall. Like this how you know. And the thing is that it's glueless. In those winter mornings, somebody wants to get up to do their hair, you could just put this on and go out the door just like that. I like wigs like this, fresh out the box install, y'all. Now if you want to try other colors, they have an entire variety of colors. The Unice hair glueless Amazon wig collection is huge. Like almost any glueless wig, you can find it on Unice hair's Amazon page. I will have the wig listed below in my description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as comment some other glueless wigs that you guys want to see from me, like maybe some blondes, some burgundies, you know, some fall colors. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye bye.